Alright, welcome back folks to the second video. This is Mr. Henry Vargas again, and this is Marketing Basics for Beginners Part 2, or Video 2. So after you've gotten your domain, right, which is highly recommended your name, right, we've gotten your domain name, it's going to be for your personal branding. The next important step is to set up your email address, your domain name email address, and here's what that means. So let's go ahead and go. Let's say you use don't GoDaddy as your registrar, so you bought your domain name from GoDaddy. You would go into your products, and then from there you scroll down to where you see it says workspace emails, email forwarding, 100 pack. Most domains you should have, after the purchase of your domain, should have gotten some of these email forwarding. So you're going to do, you simply click over here and you click on manage all. And so now that's going to bring you to this page here where you're going to click on this icon that says create forward. That's going to pop up this dialog box. And so you simply put in the email address that you want to create. So for example, you can make it info at your domain or whatever, admin at your domain, or you can make it, I would recommend your first name at the domain. So for example, for me it would be Henry at mrhenryvargas.com, right? So I would put that in there. And why? Because putting your name, making your name kind of makes it more personalized versus making a admin or info. It's makes it less humanized, right? Whereas if you put your name, it feels more human. And then you want, now what's going to happen is this email address isn't going to actually have its own separate box. This email address is just going to forward to your email address, whether it's your Gmail or your Hotmail or whatever email address you currently use. You simply put that in here. You can see you can have the same email address forward to several different emails. So you would just put that email in there. You could just leave this free account forwarding. You can make it a catch-all, which just means that any email address that is at yourdomain.com is going to be, you're going to receive those emails. You can or you cannot. You can. I'd rather it not, because sometimes you get a lot of spam by doing that. And then you can enable auto reply, but we're not going to do that because in the coming video I'm going to be showing you about the autoresponder, and you want to get that set up directly, this email connected directly with that autoresponder. And so then you simply click create, and that's going to create that email address for you. And so now you can see it here, Henry at mrhenryvargas.com, and it'll give you some attributes. So as you can see here, it says it's pending setup. So it probably takes about 5 minutes for it to finish setting up. In the meantime, you've set up your email, you've got your domain now, you've got your email set up. Let's go ahead and watch the next video.